Meta has released a new feature that has helped boost the performance of our Facebook and Instagram ads, and it's so simple to do that anyone that's running ads right now can simply just turn this on and test to see if it'll help your performance of your ads. Now, if you're going to do this, I highly recommend that you're duping your ad, then turning the feature on just to test the performance of this new feature versus the old ads. So basically what it is, it's very simple. It's basically Facebook and Instagram adding audio to static images to basically boost the performance. And I think this is for, Reels. So on the Reels, you obviously know that Reels usually perform better when there's audio on it. That's their biggest thing, kind of like stole that from the TikTok. But basically all they're doing is adding some audio to the image. So none of your images typically have audio on it. So it'll just play some audio when the image shows on the Reels ad. So we've been turning this on and we've been seeing this help the performance almost of all of our ads. Even just a slight bit, everything helps. So I'm gonna dive into the ads manager to show you exactly how to turn this on, and hopefully you'll see this boost your ads as well. So here we are in the ads manager. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the ad level. And this is a dummy ad, so this is just something I set up just to show you how to do this. We're gonna go to the ad level and we're just gonna go ahead and edit the ad. If you create ads before, you know exactly where we're at here. And we're basically we're gonna add an image. So we're gonna pull an image we already have on the account. Happy Thanksgiving. Not quite there yet, but we're almost gonna have Thanksgiving coming up. So if you've ran ads here recently, you'll see these enhancements come up, right? This is what we're gonna be talking about. So the first thing is standard enhancements. We've also seen improvements on this, so we suggest turning that on as well. And what that does is it basically allows Facebook to just change the look of the ad for the different users and just see in different placements to see if it helps boost performance. So again, something I would definitely test. So dupe your ad, turn this enhancement on. There's another one for image brightness and contrast. This has been around for a while. Again, recommend turning that on. This is the big one, and it's enabling music. So the music will play on Instagram and Facebook Reels. The cool thing is you can do automatic tracks. So Facebook will just find tracks that will coincide with your ad, or you can go in here and you can listen to the music, decide which one will go best with your ad, and you can enable that music there. For mine, I've chosen just to do the automatic. I never really spent the time to test different tracks, but that's something you could do too, is you can maybe test some different tracks. So we've been simply just turning this on, enabling music. Highly recommend duping this ad first and then running a version of it with the music playing. They also have another enhancement called, I think it's 3D motion or something. We've tested that without much success, but you can also test that on your ads. I think that might work better for products. But anyways, this is really simple, easy to do. If you're running ads right now, I would highly suggest testing this out. Appreciate you watching my video. Again, if you're interested in getting more content like that, we're publishing this all the time. If you want to become a pro Facebook marketer and be on the top of all the new trends and tips, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification button. Thank you.